Hello everyone, Linux 6.13-RC7 is here. This is an exciting moment for all of us in the Linux community. We've been eagerly anticipating this release and it's finally arrived. This version is packed with new features and improvements that we can't wait to share with you. This is a big step towards the final release of Linux 6.13. The development team has been working tirelessly to ensure that this version is stable and ready for widespread use. We've listened to your feedback and made numerous enhancements to improve performance and usability. We're excited to share the latest updates and improvements with you. From kernel optimizations to new hardware support, there's something for everyone in this release. Our goal is to make Linux more accessible and powerful for all users. This release candidate is important because it shows us how close we are to the final version. It's a critical phase where we can identify and fix any remaining issues. Your participation in testing is invaluable to us. It's a chance for everyone to try out the new features and help us make sure everything is working smoothly. We encourage you to download and test this release candidate and provide us with your feedback. Your input helps us create a better Linux experience for everyone. Linux 6.13-RC7 is a big step forward for the Linux kernel. It includes significant updates that enhance security, performance, and compatibility. These improvements are designed to meet the needs of both casual users and enterprise environments. It brings a lot of new features and improvements. Some of the highlights include better support for modern hardware, enhanced networking capabilities, and numerous bug fixes. These changes make Linux more robust and versatile than ever before. We're excited to see what people do with it. Whether you're a developer, a system administrator, or just a Linux enthusiast, there's something in this release for you. Join us in exploring the new possibilities that Linux 6.13-RC7 brings to the table. Thank you for being part of the Linux community. The holidays are over, and our developers and testers are back. They've been working hard to make Linux 6.13 the best it can be. Many developers and testers took a break for the holidays. Now they're back and ready to work on Linux 6.13. This means we have more people finding and fixing bugs. More people testing means we can find and fix more problems. This makes Linux 6.13-RC7 a more stable and reliable release. Linux 6.13-RC7 includes a variety of changes and improvements. Some of these are big, while others are smaller fixes. One major change is improved hardware support. This means Linux 6.13 will work with even more devices like new graphics cards and processors. We've also made improvements to security and performance. These updates make Linux faster and more secure. They also make it easier for developers to create new things with Linux. Section 4. Looking ahead, the final release. We're getting closer to the final release of Linux 6.13. This release has been highly anticipated by developers and users alike. The journey has been long, with countless hours of coding, testing, and debugging. Each step has brought us closer to a more refined and powerful operating system. With each release candidate, we get closer to a stable and reliable version. These candidates have been rigorously tested to ensure that the final product is as robust as possible. The feedback from the community has been invaluable in identifying and fixing issues. We expect the final release of Linux 6.13 to be very soon. The development team has been working tirelessly to meet the deadlines and ensure that all features are polished and ready for deployment. The anticipation is palpable as we approach the release date. It will include all the improvements from the release candidates as well as any final fixes. These enhancements will provide a smoother and more efficient user experience. The final touches are being applied to ensure that everything runs seamlessly. The final release of Linux 6.13 will be a big moment for the Linux community. It represents the culmination of months of hard work and collaboration. The new features and improvements will set a new standard for open-source operating systems. We can't wait to share it with everyone. The excitement is building and we are eager to see how the community will embrace the new release. Stay tuned for the official launch and get ready to experience Linux 6.13 in all its glory. Section 5. On the horizon, release date, and impact. We don't have an exact release date for Linux 6.13 yet. The development team is working tirelessly to ensure that all features are polished and that the system is as stable as possible before the official release. However, we expect it to be released very soon. The anticipation is building within the community, and many are eagerly awaiting the new capabilities and improvements that this version promises to bring. Linux 6.13 is a big step forward for the Linux kernel. It brings new features, improved hardware support, and better performance. This update is expected to enhance the user experience significantly, making it more efficient and user-friendly. We believe it will be a valuable update for all Linux users. Whether you are a developer, a system administrator, or just a casual user, the enhancements in this version will benefit you in various ways. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to Linux 6.13. Your hard work and dedication have made this release possible. The collaborative effort of the global Linux community is truly inspiring. We couldn't have done it without you. Your contributions, whether big or small, have played a crucial role in shaping this release. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to experience the new and improved Linux 6.13.